I'm going to London today. Big news, guys. I actually wanted to make this video earlier this week, but I just couldn't because I was so busy, and I'm now managing somehow to record this for you guys, and probably by the time you're gonna be watching this, I'll be flying to London in just a few hours. So it's going to be a simple one because I don't have too much time to edit it. But yeah, so big news. I'm going to industry workshops, and for the first time, so it's gonna be amazing. Let me tell you how this happened, because it was an overnight decision, you know. It's pretty funny because I was streaming on Twitch and I was painting something, and yes, I have a Twitch channel and you can follow me there if you want to. So I was streaming, and my friend Gordon, founder of Digital Artcast channel, if you don't know what it is, it's an amazing channel with interviews with top-notch artists from the industry. Subscribe. Gordon just called me over and asked me if I'm going to industry workshops, and I said, no, sorry, I can't go, blah blah. And he managed to push me into making this decision overnight. I couldn't hold myself back from it, and it's gonna be amazing to be there, especially after checking the amazing lineup. I'm so excited for it. There are big names I always wanted to meet, and other big names I want to meet again. So it's going to be incredible. It's going to be awesome, and it's going to be incredible to hang around with those amazing people again. So I don't know, I just can't wait, and I'll try my best to document everything and show and share it with you guys. And I don't know, I'll make some videos about it when I'm done, about the event. But for now, yeah, I gotta go because if not, I'm not catching that flight. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time, okay? God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh, and stay creative.